This is fun. Good morning. It is November 22nd, 4:30 in the morning, and I am in a Red Roof Inn here at the Red Roof Inn. Red Roof Inn is fine. Honestly, not nearly the worst hotel I've ever stayed in. Hotel. I say hotel. It's probably more motel, but fancy Florida, whatever. The thing that I don't understand is what the hell was going on upstairs above me, because I'm on the bottom floor. Last night, it's like they were having a parade up there. I don't know if they were like line dancing. I don't know if there's like something, not like, because it's not like there's much space. Like, where are people walking and moving? I gotta pour my coffee now. So I just don't understand what was going on up there. It seemed as if like there's a gymnastic floor up there and they're doing some crazy stuff. Okay, I'm still kind of asleep and I'm making my coffee. So anyways, about the ride. We are doing this crazy mountain bike ride that Stacy came up with. 114 miles. And it's not all single track, but there is enough of single track that I'm nervous. This is Amelia, by the way. I don't know that y'all have ever met Amelia. This is a 28-pound Trek top fuel aluminum that I've got maybe a few hundred miles on, and I've had it for 9 years. Used to have flat pedals on it because I sprained my ankle riding at Hannah on some trails. I'm now clipping in. I've been practicing for the past few weeks. We've been planning this for a while. This is her crazy idea. I'm scared, y'all. I'm not good at single track. I just don't have, I don't know. I'm scared. That's all I gotta say. Wish me luck today. So I'm gonna try to get some video, hoping that I stay up all day. And I'm hoping that we're done before the sun goes down. So that's the deal. This is our first dirt section. Only about 4 miles, 2 miles in, I don't know. Pretty much right away. We are in Mikasuki. I don't know how to pronounce it. I've never ridden here. This is mostly all new roads. There's a couple sections I've ridden on Tallahassee, but not much. Stacy's on a new bike. She's ridden it twice. She just built it up. She's got some fat tires. So this lovely November day in Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, it's 64-ish degrees, high of 82 today. Right now, it is 100% humidity with a dense fog advisory, and I can feel my heart rate a little elevated already because of the humidity. Luckily, since we never really get far out of Tallahassee, there's plenty of places to stop and refuel. I'm carrying my pack because I drink so much, but Stacy's not. So we will stop at least, probably my guess is 3 times. So we're finishing up in Mikasauki, whatever. And this has been super fun. The sun's still not up, which is weird because at home, the sun is up at 6:30. And I don't know exactly what time it is, but it's definitely after 6:30 since we started at 6. We've been in here for a little while now. I'm hoping that means that it stays light later. Oh boy. Got my heart rate up there. This has 4,000 feet, over 4,000, I think 4,400 feet of elevation, which is a good bit for us Floridians. It's really wobbly. Yeah. It's pouring rain and I lost my light. I'm not having fun anymore.